To walk. What?
You're making come over me.
No, it's okay. There he goes.
Here we go,
You can
buddy.
do it.
Good job.
Okay, now.
Now Mommy's got it. Oops.
You can get it?
You go get it, Mommy?
Zero. Chocolatey goodness. Chocolatey goodness. Here, open. He's like, I'll have the whole thing, thank you. Ready? Oh, Daddy's mean.
Where is it? Mommy
It's over
had it.
here.
Why did you come to me? Why did you come to me? He's like,
Come get it. Here, come get it. Come on. Come get it. Come on, come get it. Come on. Come get
go
it.
Ryan.
Oh, good job. Open.
He's like, that wasn't a perfect one. That one.
Okay, we're gonna do a good one. If Daddy scoots closer to us and then he scoots back while you walk there, then he doesn't feel like it's so far. Yay!
Ryan.
Good job, Ryan!
Good job, buddy. You alright?
Yeah. You okay? Come get it. Oh, good job. Open. You want some?
He's like, I want to spin up there and look at the camera.
Here, do you want some? Yeah, come on. Oh, jeez. Let's go get Daddy. And some Tootsie Roll. Yeah, come on. Let's go get Daddy.